Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change voices of accessibility reader in iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then scroll up and go to accessibilities. There you will find read and speak of option over here. So once you click on that, you will comes in this page and you will see over here a voices option over here. Once you click on that voice option, it's going to becomes in this page. You can simply select any of these voices over here. You can simply check it out over here. So once you click on the first one, you can change it by these options over here, voice. Click on that and then you can simply change it by these selection over here. You can simply download it and then it's going to be changed, and that's it. That's how you can change the languages of accessibility reader in iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.